Yay, we're getting started. It's a Saturday morning, and I wanted to take a few minutes out to chat with you right away. I'm going to do my workout in just a few minutes, but it came to me to share with you about abundance and money. Who would like to have some more money right now at this time of the year? You can see I'm getting ready to work out, so pay no attention to how I look. When inspiration hits, it hits, doesn't it? So I have some notes here I wanted to share with you about money because we all want more money. We can always use money. And right now, at this time of the year, who doesn't want a little bit more of money? And I have lots of things going on with that I can share with you. But today, what I'm going to share with you is this intention and prayer that showed up to go with Lakshmi right here. So let me read, if you don't mind. I'll just read it off my notes that I've had. It's from a workshop that I will teach this next week. So there's Goddess Abundia, is the Roman goddess of abundance, good fortune, and success. Her name means plenty or overflowing riches. She's also been called the beautiful maiden of success. For me personally, I always like to call in my spiritual helpers for everything, particularly with manifesting and abundance. And Goddess Abundia helps to bring an increase in abundance for all areas in your life. Archangel Ariel, also, one of her expertise involves manifesting. And then, of course, we have this beautiful goddess Lakshmi, known for good luck and good fortune. And see, the little white sparkles here is just like you're having all this beautiful abundance flowing in you, through you, on you. So enjoy that feeling. So I'm going to share with you step one from my class. I'll be teaching this next week. Step one is set your intention. This is the most important step to continue with your spiritual helpers and asking them for assistance in your life. First, find a quiet place to sit down and set your intention, whether it's in your sacred space or a favorite place in your home, out in the yard, in your private bathroom, just wherever, a nice quiet space. And then begin to set the intention by saying a prayer or affirmation. And I'm going to share with you this one. This is why I'm doing this call out to you. Dear Archangel Ariel, Goddess Lakshmi, and Goddess Abundia, I call on you to assist me in my life to bring in more abundance, prosperity, and good fortune in all areas of my life. Guide me toward abundance and prosperity, as well as attracting it to me. I also ask that Archangel Ariel assist me with manifesting my true desires and wishes. Now feel free to put your specific desire right here. That Goddess Lakshmi brings me everlasting happiness, and Goddess Abundia takes away all worries and concerns surrounding money, abundance, and finances. May I know that my needs will always meet me and then some. I affirm abundance comes to me now in all areas of my life. So it is. Thank you, Infinite Divine Spirit. Amen. So I just wanted to take a few minutes, like I said, and share this with you. If you like this and want to know more about having a good flow of money right now, happening for us now at this time that we could really use it. Well, we can always use it, can't we? Put in the comment, I want to know more, or I'm in, or just write the word money. Just write the word money in all caps, because money is an energy, and money is the easiest energy flow to manifest. So, and once I see that, you've commented things like that, money, then I'll send you information about the class I'm going to hold next week, about where it is, when it is, the reasonable price that it is, super reasonable actually, and if you can join us. Okay. Yay! I'm I'm so excited. This is such a good time of year. It feels like snow, but I want you to imagine this as gold flakes and money. And thank you, Lakshima. Thank you. Love you. Bye for now.